There are two ways that somebody can get into Niihka after logging into My Miami. The first way is to click on the Niihka button on the left-hand side under Quick Tools. Clicking on that button will take you into the My Workspace area, which we'll get to in a second. But the second way that you can get into Niihka is through the My Courses module, which is in the center of My Miami. Depending on the number of courses that you're enrolled in, once you click on the appropriate term from the drop-down menu, you'll see a list of classes that you're enrolled in. If your instructor has created a Niihka site for that class, you'll see a link to go directly into that class underneath the class listing. For the sake of this training, though, for the sake of this video, we're going to access Niihka from the Quick Tools menu on the left-hand side. So if I click on the turquoise button that says Niihka, it'll take me into My Workspace. And My Workspace is a personal area for every user in Niihka. So all faculty, staff, student, and guests have a My Workspace that they can access. On the left-hand side here, there's a variety of tools that you can use. In the middle is some content that has been sent out to everybody at the university. So regardless if you're a faculty, staff, or student, the content here is always going to be the same. And IT Services is the group that changes this content depending on what is appropriate at the time of the semester. You may see information about outages as it relates to Niihka posted in here for everybody at the university to be aware of. On the right-hand side here is a column of modules that pulls information from other courses that you are enrolled in. So for example, the first module is a calendar module, and this will show me calendar events for any of the Niihka courses that I'm currently enrolled in. So as a student, if I'm enrolled in 3 or 4 courses this semester, and my instructors are using the schedule tool inside of the Niihka course, any dates that they put information on will populate here. So I have a quick view of all of my Niihka sites for any important dates or deadlines that are related. If there was something on my calendar, I could click on the day in question, and it would show me some more information about that specific event. Also, in recent announcements, this will show you any announcements that have been posted by default over the last 10 days in any of the Niihka sites that I'm currently enrolled in. So this gives you a quick look at any announcements that any of your instructors have posted for you to see. Message center notifications is also used primarily for the new and forums column. If your instructor is using the forums tool inside of your Niihka course site, this will show you any or the number of unread messages inside of the forums tool within each of your courses. And you'll see for this first one I have 4 unread messages. I can click on that number and it will take me directly to the forums tool inside of that specific course site. So it allows you to quickly navigate through the different forums in any of your course sites. On the left hand side is the list of links that you can access from within My Workspace. The first one that I want to make you aware of is the Preferences tool, and we cover how to reorder and rearrange tabs in another video, but this is where you would go in order to do that. And to quickly show you, you can click on the name of a course site, click on the up and down arrow depending on where you want it to be positioned inside the list. Right now Niihka is set to show me 4 tabs, which shows me basically 3 course sites, and the 4th tab is going to be one that says My More Sites. And you'll see I'm enrolled in more than 4 sites here, so if I were to click on this link, it shows me everything that appears in the My Active sites, regardless of the ordering. But the first 3 are the ones that are going to be appearing in the tabs across the top. Once you're done with a course site at the end of the semester, you can click on it and then click on the right-facing arrow to move it over to My Hidden Sites, which will remove it from your view so that it's not hindering your access to other sites. Once you're done, you can click on Update Preferences and it will make those changes for you. So that's basically a quick navigation of what you can do with My Workspace. There are other videos that will show you some more in-depth material.